If you're new around here, we're Chris and Sara, and that's our pup Kramer. We're husband and wife entrepreneurs who since 2018 have been traveling full-time in our DIY Sprinter van that we recently sold to a new owner. Now we're starting all the way back at the beginning, building out our brand new, even smaller van. Our channel is typically more about our travels and adventures by both plane and van, but since COVID had other plans for our travels this summer, we're staying put a little bit longer and instead are taking you along the process of what it's like to turn this into this. Let's go.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Future's bright. Count your blessings. Don't let it slip away now. Yeah, it's easy when you know how.
Kramer, come on, you have to leave the chickens.
Come on.
Kramer has a new thing.
It's not new.
He loves the chickens.
Watch out, Kramer. Come on. No. Kramer?
So it's been a minute.
It wasn't planned as usual.
No, we've been waiting and waiting and waiting because of COVID and...
That's it. So not everything. There have been a few components that were for the earlier stages of the van that have been delayed. So we've had a lot of time on our hands, as you guys can imagine. We've been working a lot, and thankfully work is still coming in the midst of everything. We're working from home, just like we always have, but we just haven't gotten to travel.
But we have learned some new skills.
Down. No, I didn't tell you to yet. No. Roll over. Oh, that's good. G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe. You've earned it. Okay.
There has not been any progress done to the van. Well, I shouldn't say that. There's been a couple of things done to the van.
Oh, yes. A couple of big things.
A couple of big things.
Tell them what you've done, Chris.
So I installed the S-Bar D2 heater.
Which he hated last time, but he killed it this time.
Gosh.
Not killed the heater. He killed the progress
it
of
works
installing
now.
it. He did a great job.
It works. First things first, I have to take this seat out. First hole in the van. All right. Gotta let this Rust-Oleum dry and then I'll put in the heater. Yeah! Oh, it is in! It fits! Better than the first go around. And we got brand new tires.
And wheels.
Today, we're getting those off. I mean, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with this, but I think the new ones are gonna look a lot better.
Our van, being a 4x4 especially, it was really tall. It needed it. Chris has a good comparison for it. Our van with the stock wheels on it and the city tires on it, looked like our van was wearing skinny jeans, and now it looks like it's wearing more like, I don't know, straight leg jeans.
Yeah.
Or boyfriend fit jeans.
It looks
normal.
Look, if you wear skinny jeans, no offense to you whatsoever.
Our van looked like a fat person squeezing into skinny jeans or something. It didn't look right. We fixed that.
Yeah, they know exactly what we're talking
So
about.
the wheels are like 50% cosmetic, 50% for increased performance. The wheels are 1 inch bigger. So previously we had 16-inch wheels that came on the van. We switched those up to 17-inch wheels. Supposedly the van can handle 18-inch wheels totally fine with the tires we got. So we got Black Rhino Overlanders, the model, wheels in 17-inch, and then our tires are BF Goodwrench. The BF Goodwrench KO2. So those are our tire models. We love them. They're all-terrain. We gave them a test the other day.
We did give them a test. You want to see it?
Finally got some mud on those tires. It looks so good.
a real good feeling.
But in addition to just our normal everyday kind of jobs, we've also been working on a whole new resource for y'all. So our channel, our YouTube channel and our Instagram, we call it Travel and Lifestyle, but because van life is such a huge part of what we're doing and it's a very niche community, we've actually done something specific for our van life resources. It sort of gets, previously they've sort of just, all of our resources have just gotten lost in the Let's BS travel or lifestyle kind of content. And we don't want to quit the travel or lifestyle. We're actually doing a lot of work up front to streamline the process for us and for you guys to hopefully have access to more of our like picking our brains kind of thing. We get messages all the time like, hey, can we pick your brains? Well, you can pick our brains in a new format soon and also connect with other potential and current van lifers.
So if you're interested in van life, whether you're currently in van life or you're thinking about doing it, or maybe that was something you did several years ago, this resource will be for you. And we're excited to show it to you, I think, in our next video. So that's it. That's what we've been doing for the last 3-4 weeks, is literally waiting.
But the perk of that is I think we've had more of a routine the last month than we probably have in the last 2 years. Is that fair to say?
I would say that, yeah.
We like a little bit of routine, but our days have been pretty much almost exactly the same, which I don't love. But it's been good for us in a way. You know, we get up, we have our coffee. We have a little bit of quiet time, we work for a little bit, then we go for a run in the middle of the day, which is not his favorite. I make him run in the middle of the day. It's good for us. Then we come back home, work a little bit more, and that's the most of a routine that we've ever had in the van, I think. Having the ability to just, I don't know, we have a kitchen for one, like a full normal kitchen. We have showers whenever we want, and it's been nice in a way. I'm tired of it. While I am tired of being at home, and Chris is too, and we miss travel so much, but it's just not possible right now. There have been some perks, and I think we've really been prioritizing taking care of ourselves a little bit, which has been good.
Long were the days in the spring when we were younger. And oh, the years have gone like the breeze in the summer. Seasons come, then they go, like the dust on that old dirt road. I try and fight to take it slow, but the ground keeps moving on its own.
And also we've gotten a lot of work done, a lot of work on the front end of our new resource that hopefully will streamline the process for us and you guys, streamline the process for you guys finding what you're looking for as far as van life content and even travel content in the coming months. So I think we've used our time wisely, but that doesn't mean we aren't bored out of our minds.
Yeah.
All right, that's all.
That's all. All right. We'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
It's here. Hey, how are you? It's here. Oh man, we have been waiting for this forever.
Need help?
Yeah, well, guess what's here?
Play space. Thank you. I'll let him go out first. Build's back on track.